Department received nearly $4,000 in protection equipment to ensure Officer Donut.
Плюс 9 градусов. Стоять! Иди сюда! Эй, стой, стой, стоять!
Артем Васёв расскажет подробнее. МФС.
Watch out for a little. Okay. Hey.
More cold air. 3, 2, 1.
So how are you coping with all the fame?
11 for Thursday. Friday 14 does start to warm up nicely though as we get into the weekend. 6.
Progress is liability.
It's gonna stay dry through the weekend. What in the world is that?
Lake Ozark coming in at 9. Griffey wants to play, and okay.
And the sunshine increasing, and there is a dog behind me.
How are you? Woo! Live TV. How are you, buddy? It's not your turn yet.